A little something about Raymond. He's an investor in stocks and rentals. He wants no money from you, no bait and switch, nothing. Here's what he's going to do. He's going to log into his personal account, share real estate property documents, and give you suggestions on what to read.
If you're watching this video on YouTube, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. All right, we are going to log into my Fidelity 401k. So let's jump in. And hopefully you guys had a good trading day. And you did if you don't own anything that I own, because it was not good for me. All right, this is the Fidelity 401k homepage. And if your 401k is with Fidelity, you should see something similar to this when you log in. If your 401k is not with Fidelity, then you can't follow me when I start clicking on stuff. However, everything that I say will still apply to wherever your 401k is. So let's make this screen bigger and we're going to get going. All right, so we're going to get into this GE 401k. And we want to talk about contributions. So this video is to show you how to set up your contributions to your 401k. So this is something that you initially do, and you do it the very first time you decide to participate in your 401k. So we're going to click on right here, contributions. Then contribution amount. So this is where you're going to go to say, take this much money out of my paycheck and put it in my 401k. So I want to highlight this because this is pretty cool. This is actually encouraging you to participate in your 401k. So they don't want you to get here and change your mind and close this tab out. They want you to stay here, read this, get encouragement, and start filling out these numbers down here. So what GE is stating, and hopefully your company has a match also, is that they will contribute up to 8% of your compensation into your 401k. So this 8% is free money. GE is taking their money and adding it to your money, and it all goes into your 401k, and it's yours to keep. Even if you quit, get fired, laid off, whatever, once that money gets in there, it is your money. And the way it works is that GE is saying that they will match 50% of the first 8% of your pay. So let me just do a real easy example. This is not realistic, but the math is easy. This is why I'm going to pick 100,000 as my number. If you made $100,000 per year and you decided to do 8%, and you got the 8% from reading this, you're going to contribute $8,000 into your 401k. And what this is also saying is that GE will contribute or match 50% of your 8% into your 401k. So 50% of 8%, which is the $8,000, is $4,000. So GE is going to give you $4,000 into your 401k. So that'll be a total of $12,000. Your $8,000 plus their $4,000. That's free money. You definitely want to get that. So you actually want this number to be as high as you can get. That's always your goal. You want to go high and you want to max out the pre-tax contributions. And there is a total max number in the IRS. They come out with that every year. And I believe for 2021, the max you can put into your 401k in terms of pre-tax is $19,500. All right, that's out the way. Let's scroll down and we're going to talk about what do you do. So it says contribution amount. You see pre-tax contributions. You can go anywhere from 0 to 30%. Zero means you don't want to contribute into your 401k, and you can go as low as 1% up to 30. Again, make this number as high as you can go. And what does pre-tax contributions mean? This means that you're going to contribute money out of your paycheck before it's taxed by the government. So let me give you an example. Let's say you get $500 per paycheck, and you say you want to contribute 10% of the $500 each paycheck. So 10% of $500 is $50. So they're going to take the $50 and put it into your 401k. Now the balance, the $450, will be taxed. So pre-tax means take the 401k money out before everything is taxed. Here you see Roth contributions. I will leave that 0. You see after-tax contributions. I would also leave that 0. I will only concentrate on pre-tax contributions to my 401k. If you did want to do a Roth contribution, I recommend that you open up a Roth IRA. After tax, again, keep this 0, but let me explain it. After tax means you want to contribute to your 401k after everything in your paycheck has been taxed. Scrolling down to the bottom, it says other contributions. All this stuff from here down is only for people who are 50 years old and older. And all this is saying is that you can contribute additional money into your 401k above whatever you're doing up here. So the max would be $6,500 additional you can do. But again, this is only for people that are 50 and over. And I want to show you a neat feature that's directly related to this pre-tax contribution. If you want to find out before you put a number here how this works in terms of your take-home pay, you can click on this. Let's expand this out. And they're just going to ask you some simple questions. I'm going to make up some numbers. So annual gross salary, I'm going to say $50,000. Pay period, I'm going to say every 2 weeks. Federal income tax rate, I'm going to pick 24. State local tax, 4%. Contribution rate, again, that's the tab here. That's the box here. So this box is this box. So we're going to say 5%. Hit calculate. So this is a more realistic example compared to what I just told you about the $500 and, 10%. Matter of fact, let's do 10% because I did 10% in my example. Only thing I didn't do $5,000. So check it out. Here's the benefit. $192 is what you're going to put into your retirement plan every pay period. So every 2 weeks you'll put in $192. But your paycheck is only going to be reduced $138 based on your taxes. So you're thinking, man, that $192 is going to hurt me. It's going to hurt my pockets every 2 weeks. I need this $192 to do whatever you need to do, pay your bills at home. Well, contributing pre-tax is really going to hurt your pockets at $138, not the $192. So hopefully you see the benefit of picking the pre-tax box here. So that's why I recommend do pre-tax, all this other stuff, keep it zero. After tax, keep it zero. And you'll be fine. And then once you do that, you click on change contribution amount, and that's not going to work for me because I'm not a current GE employee. But you're going to click on that. I don't know exactly what it's going to say, but just follow the instructions and you're fine. So everything we just talked about is you picking how much money you want out of your paycheck to go into your 401k. And you got a pretty cool calculator to help you determine what you want to do. Click right here. All right, y'all know how it go. If I make my money in stocks and rentals, why would I ever try to get money from you? All my videos are free. I'm not asking for anything. I'm just hoping that you guys get something out of the videos. Stocksandrentals.com. Peace.